All right, so good numbers there from HCL Tech. And HDFC Bank also kicked off the fourth quarter earnings with a 27% profit growth helped by lower provisions and higher margins. Gopika Gopakumar gets you the highlights of the results from HDFC Bank.
It was business as usual at HDFC Bank in the fourth quarter. Profits grew by the predicted 27% on lower provisions and a 19% growth in net interest income. The bank improved its margins to 4.2%. Sequentially, loan growth remained flat thanks to a 6% fall in corporate loan book in the fourth quarter. However, the bank saw a strong growth in retail loans.
We've continued to see some growth even on a sequential basis in the retail lending book, and we have moderated a little on some of our corporate lending, as a result of which the overall mix at the end of this quarter is a little different. It's about 55-45. So there's a couple of percent movement in terms of the composition, driven partly by the continued growth on the retail side and partly by the fact that we had moderated a little growth on the corporate side. So on a net basis, the overall loan growth on a quarter-on-quarter basis would have been perhaps around 1% or thereabouts, which is pretty much flat.
Paresh said lending and deposit rates will come down, but remain non-committal about the timing of the rate reduction.
You will see over the next few weeks or next month or two, and it's impossible for any one bank to try and predict when that could happen, but clearly over the next few weeks you would see a reduction in the interest rates on deposits and almost simultaneously on the base rate. Whether the one-year deposit rate, for instance, on the retail side, which tends to be a tenor where a lot of retail deposits tend to flow in. And today, I guess for most banks, that would be somewhere in that 9.25 thereabouts range. Unless those rates come down by 25, 50 basis points, if that's what you're expecting, you will not see anywhere close to an equivalent reduction on the lending side.
Asset quality continues to remain a non-issue. Gross NPA fell to 1.02% this quarter from 1.03% last quarter. Analysts say the bank will not be able to report a 30% growth going forward as provisions have bottomed out and cannot be reduced further. In Mumbai, Gopika Gopakumar.